Mia,
Mia, smile, Papa. Hello.
Mamma.
I have to smile again. Okay, Mia, smile again. See? Yes.
We first hear about you through the social media. We decided to choose Sync Energy because we did some research. It looks like was the best solution for us. So the team arrived in time. They did a great job. They explained me all the installation, even how the app. So after they finished the job, they explained me everything about the solar panel, the inverter, and also about the app, how it works, how to turn off and on the inverter. And also they did a very clean job and they replaced some tiles on the roof. Really good impression and really professional. Really professional. And they explained me everything in simple words. So for us it's really important to know how everything is working. So yeah, very professional. Compared to this year, we pay less than half of last year.
Same period last year we pay almost $400, and last bill arrived was $135.
Yeah.
Big save, yeah.
Big save.
Yeah,
Yes.
big saving.